Sa atin sa Pinas, yung mga buntis, ang gusto nilang kainin, karniwan na yung mga maaasim, gaya ng manggang hilaw. Pero dito sa lugar na to, ibang klase. Ang gusto nila, nakikita nyo yung parang lupa na yan, na parang pinagbahayan niya ng anay. Yan. Yan mismo yung kinakain nila. Ganyan. Magandang araw mga kabayan. Happy New Year po sa inyo lahat dyan. Ang isi-share ko naman ngayon, siguro meron ng mga nakapanood sa inyo nung mga video dito sa Africa tungkol doon sa may clay biscuits. Nakapanood na rin ako noon eh. Pero hindi dito yung sa kinaroroonan ko. Doon yung sa may Haiti. Doon yung may clay biscuits. Pero dito, kumakain din talaga sila ng clay. Ang madalas kong makita doon sa palengke, meron doon mga parang bato. Kinakain daw yon ng mga buntis. Tinanong ko rin sa kanila kung saan ang gagaling yung mga clay na yon. Kung dito ba sa lugar na to o sa ibang lugar. Hindi daw dito yon. Yun daw nanggagaling pa ng Uganda. Calcium daw kasi yon para doon sa baby. Oh, Paul, Doctor.
Yeah,
Happy New Year.
yeah, likewise to you. How are you doing?
Doctor,
Yeah,
you know, in the market, I'm always seeing they are selling looks like
This
like
one.
this one.
yeah,
This one is stone. I just get it at the back.
yeah.
But that one,
This is
it
clean.
looks exactly like this.
Yeah.
Mm.
The reasons why women buy it, like when they are pregnant, huh?
When they are pregnant.
Yes, and born baby, the
Mm,
one inside.
mm.
It's the one who's telling them to
To eat this one.
to eat that soil, because that soil is very delicious to a pregnant woman.
Really, yeah.
Yeah, that's why.
And it's always available there.
Yeah, it's
Every
always
time
there.
I saw there.
Yeah, because they know that those buyers, huh? They know whenever they have this one, they will have a lot of customers. That's why. But this one-
First time I saw that one, I was why they are selling stones.
But this is look exactly like stone, but this is not stone.
It looks exactly like this, huh?
Yeah, but this is a clean soil.
And
Yeah.
what do you call that one in your
In our mother
tongue?
language, it's called liet.
Liet.
Yeah, liet.
Mm.
It look like this one,
It looks like this
This
one.
one. But the different. This one is hard, and that one
That
is
one is
soft.
soft. You
Yeah.
tried?
Yes.
You tried
Even you
before?
can chew it. You can chew
they
it.
chew, huh?
Yeah.
Ah.
Like if you feel like you chew or you lick, it will be okay.
Mm.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No need.
Dito naman ang napansin ko, yung mga cleaner doon sa may loob ng compound. Napapansin ko sila, lumalapit doon sa mga puno. At meron doon yung mga parang pinagbahayan ng mga anay na lupa. Kumukuha sila doon, kinakain nila. Kaya nagtaka ako, tinanong ko doon sa mga ibang lalaki. Ang sabi nila, ang karaniwan din nga daw kumakain nun, yung mga buntis din. Kaya nga lang, yung kahit hindi buntis, pagkatapos nilang mga anak, nakakahiligan na nila yung lasa nun. Kaya kahit makapanganak na, kumakain pa rin sila nung ganon. You see this one, James? This one. This one is made by termites, right? Termites. That one.
Yeah.
But some are eating this, right?
Yeah, women.
Women, huh? Why they are eating this?
Pregnant women.
Pregnant women, huh? But I saw also men eating this also. But this is soil.
That is this one.
See? But where are the termites? Some have termites inside.
But sometimes it's good.
Huh? You also eat that one? Oh. Why you eat?
Sometimes it's smelling good.
Smelling good. But don't eat. Because I saw also some, there are guards. I saw they're also eating this.
It's good.
It's good, huh? I don't want to try. That one, huh? The ladies, huh?
Even the men,
Men?
even if you interested, you can eat like this one.
Really? But this one is soil, like this one.
Yo,
And there are termites inside,
no,
right? This one, no?
you see the problem.
Mm.
This soil is smell very good.
Really, huh?
Yeah,
Ah,
it is not like this.
it's not like this one, huh?
Yeah.
At yan lang po muna sa ngayon mga kabayan. Sana po nagustuhan nyo rin yung shinare ko ngayon. At baka naman pwedeng pasubscribe po yung munti natin channel. At kung sa Facebook ka naman nanonood, baka naman pwedeng paki-follow, like at share na rin po para makita din ng mga iba nating mga kababayan. Maraming salamat po sa mga laging nanonood ng mga video ko.